Alrighty guys, hey guys, I said alrighty guys, hey guys, wow. Alright, welcome to a different type of video. Today I'm going to be showing everyone how to edit using gaming videos using Adobe Premiere Pro 2020 edition. So first, what you want to do is, you guys probably can't see it, but I am grabbing files from my computer. This is a video that I haven't uploaded yet, should be going up in it within a day or two. Because I've been uploading every single day for like the past week with the Henry Steckman series. Thought that was pretty fun. If you guys want to see another series like that, I'll gladly do it. So this video hasn't been released yet. You guys might get a little bit of a sneak peek at it, I guess then. So first thing you want to do is import the files. Okay, now that we have the footage in plan, you want to drag it out to the sequence area. And now we have this sequence. So first of all, what I'm gonna go do is go through the video and cut out all the parts that I need to cut out. Let me play here. Oop. Alright, so this is another little mistake that I make a lot. Is right when you enter the video, you have to wait a little bit because it won't play right at the beginning. You're gonna have to wait just a second. Okay, so now that we have the video working, you just want to scroll through the parts that you need to cut out. Alright, so for example, I'm assuming I cut out this part right here. So let me go back to the beginning of my video. Alrighty, hey guys, welcome back to another Fall Guys. Skip. See right here? I swear, one day I'm gonna have like 1,000 hours in this game and I'm still not gonna win. They may be beans, but I play like a potato, like that's how bad I am. And then right there, the audio cuts off. So you want to click the shortcut C, and the shortcut C is a cutting tool. So you could cut your frame. So cut here, play, drag to the spot where the video begins. Wait for me to start talking. Alright, right here, pause, go back just a little bit, like 1 second, 2 seconds, and then wait, and then make the cut. Did I make the cut? There. Now click T to go back to your cursor, cut the footage, and drag back on. So now it'll look like this. They may be beans, but I play like a potato, like that's how bad I am. Alright, let's see. Hopefully I can win this one. Alright, boom. That's a simple cut. Now you just want to continue doing that for the rest of the video. You're going to cut out all the parts that you want to get out. Now, I'm not going to show you guys all that because that's going to be boring, me cutting out all the load times and everything. So I'll just, because I am editing this video in Adobe, so I'll just cut to there. Okay, so now that you're done cutting your video, look at all the cuts I've made. You can see them here. So now that you're done with that, you want to find your meme areas. So like funny moments. Like for example, let's go to, where was it? Scrolling through the video, let's go right to, right here. This game mode right here. Maximum 12 views. Now, see that monkey skin right there? Let's wait a little bit. Let's wait a little bit to where I get him. Yeah, it's about to happen right here. Just follow the crowd. So I grab the monkey and push him off. So right there, you want to add something. You want to add something that'll make it funnier, alright? So let me go into my files for editing, my meme file for this editing. And you want to find something that'll fit with it. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I have this audio from The Lion King, which is Scar saying, "Long live the king" to Mufasa. So right now we're going to play the video. Right here. Okay. Let me go back a bit. It's about to happen. Right here. No, wait. There. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into effects, we're gonna go into video effects, and we're gonna go to image control. Oh, first, obviously, my bad. First, you gotta make a cut, and then another, and then hold on, and another cut, and a useless point here, right? Because those are gonna be rendered useless, and you want to drag this so far at the bottom to the point where you see that cut, because that'll be invisible if you have it pretty big. So you want to get the black and white video effect, and you want to drag it to that scene exactly. So now if I go over, it's going to be black and white. Now let me go to the frame where I push them off, and then I'm going to right click, click the video, wait, why won't it let me? Right click. Let me do something to it. Jeez. Fall Guys. Here. Here. Right click. Hey, trust me. Yeah, this is what I want. This is what I want to see. Won't let me see that though. That's very annoying. Why won't it? Come on. Like, why? Why can't I? Oh, there we go. Alright, so you want to go add frame hold. So now the rest of the video will stay on that frame. Now it'll stay on that frame. Oh, there's an issue. So this is what the undo button is for. You want to undo. I'm going to undo to the point where I didn't cut it, because I just cut out the part where I pushed them off. So you want to make a cut. I'm going to make the cut here. So now I'm going to make this really small again so that way I can see that cut. Now I'm going to click T so I can have my normal cursor. And I'm going to drag this back here. And then right click, come on, work, there. Add frame hold. Wait, that's not what, add frame hold. And now you're gonna go back to effects, black and white, drag on top of the scene. And then you wanna get your audio that I'm using. Audio. And you want to find the audio that you want to use. Now I'm going to make this really big again, so that way it's just really small enough for me to see, because it went by really fast as you saw over there. I pushed the monkey off. Alright, now something else that I'm going to do is that cut that I made earlier. Is it there? What's happening? Oh yeah, right there. I'm gonna click it, and I'm gonna, oh there, right there. Click the audio and delete it, so that way I don't hear my voice. So you're gonna get the part of the audio that you need. So let's just play the audio really quick. Let me just make this big, so that way it's super small. Yeah, you want to make sure you listen to the whole audio. Oh, I pushed the monkey off. I pushed the monkey off. Setup right now is I'm using Apple Head. Right here. A $20 keyboard and mouse combo. They both came at the same price, yes. My PC, not sure how much it was. I found it. So I'm gonna make a cut here. Delete this audio. The prices were really, really high. The prices were really high. Exactly that right there. So now I'm just gonna grab it, drag it to that selected clip around here. And let's see how it turned out. Just follow the crowd. Long live the king. Oh, I pushed the monkey off. Let me move it a little bit more forward so it'll sound better. No, hold on, let me just... Maybe here. No, a little bit more back. See, editing is really precise. That's what makes it annoying. Long live the king. Exactly there. I'm gonna make another. Oops. No, wait, no. Is it closing? Oh my god, it closed. Let me just skip back to the where I fixed that. Okay, so I fixed the problem. Now, while editing your video, let me just play that over again. I'm gonna make a cut right here at the end, and then get the black and white effect. So video, image control, black, white, add. Long live the king. Oh, I pushed the monkey off. I pushed the monkey off. There, perfect, see? I need to put a long live the king sound on that. So now that I've done that, it's gonna be round over and then make the cut. And then just drag to the next game. Alright, drag, 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 drag. A $20 keyboard and mouse combo. And cut. Move here. Take this footage. Delete. Drag. Now this may look like I'm deleting a lot of footage, but in reality, this big. Now you want to add some more memes, so let's go find some more. Now, oh, let me get you into green screen memes. Alright, now let me show you that. Let's go find an adequate spot to put one. Alright, now right here. Give me tail, give me tail, give me tail, give me tail. God. Right there. So let me get a file from my files and let's find an adequate meme for that. So we're gonna go for the... I have it marked as, where is it? Have it marked as rotoscope, I believe. Or rage, maybe? Got it, rotoscope HD. So now you go back here, you get the file, drag it in, it's gonna load, you got it. So you wanna get the file, you wanna drag it to your requested position. Now, obviously when you play it, it's going to be green, obviously, the green screen. So you got to right click. You're going to set the frame size so it covers the whole screen. You're going to go to effects. You're going to scroll down to keying. You want to get the ultra key tool. You want to drag it on top of the green screen video, right? And every time you're doing green screen, it has to be on top of the normal video layer. So now that you're here, you click on the video. You go to effects control. You see right here, ultra key. You get the dropper tool. And you click it, and it's simple as that. Dang it. So let me just edit this really quick and just drag over here. Ah, dang it. Alright, so we're restarting. This time we're going. Alright, see, like that. And that's simple. That's how I edit my videos. It's very basic, very easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Teach you in the next one. Bye.